Happy Monday, Antelope Valley. I hope everyone's doing well and that you had a nice weekend. I'm Mark Troth, broker and co-owner of Berkshire Hathaway Home Services, Troth Realtors, bringing you the October 27th, 2025 Antelope Valley real estate market update, where week in and week out, we take a look at exactly what's going on in the local Antelope Valley real estate market. As I like to point out every week, I feel it's important that residents, property owners, potential buyers have a trusted local resource to go to follow along with exactly what's going on in our local real estate market. Often our statistics get lumped in with greater Los Angeles County, Southern California, and our statistics for our market are definitely unique onto themselves. So as we wrap up this last Monday in October, Jody and I are just getting ready to head home from the Gulf Coast. Been here at Gulf Shores, Alabama, and pretty exciting storm here through yesterday. So anyway, looking and keep our fingers crossed that our flights are all okay, and we'll make it back to good old AB sometime later this afternoon. Hence the little different shirt that I'm normally wearing, little tropical shirt. So anyway, so where are we on this last Monday of October as we head into the November market? And of course, the holidays just right around the corner. So active listings seasonally starting to see those decline. Uh, we are at 1,086. Last week we were 1,101, so we're down 1.4%, but we have been seeing that number decline pretty much week after week, and which is kind of typically expected for this time of year. Pending listings, those properties under contract in escrow, also starting to kind of seasonally decline down to 409. We're still above that 400 number. Last week we were at 423, so we're down 3.3%. Starting to hear some pretty good advanced news that we could see another interest rate cut coming this week. So hopefully that downward pressure on rates will have an effect on mortgage rates, and we'll see that pending number, those properties under contract, remain steady, maybe even hopefully bump up a little bit. So week over week comparison, new listings, once again, as I mentioned, down week of October 20th through yesterday, the 26th, 76 new residential listings on the market through our local MLS, down 10.6% from the week prior. When we had a pretty good week, we had just under 90 on the market. Median list price of new listings down 9%, 485. So once again, just starting to see a little bit of that seasonal stuff going on. Properties during that time period went into escrow 56, down a pretty big jump. We were at 82 the week prior, and so 56. So let's keep our fingers crossed that the continued downward pressure on interest rates will have a good effect on that. Median number of days those properties were on the market was 47. That's up 12 days. And listings sold. This, of course, this is a trailing number. So these are properties that went into escrow 35, 45, perhaps even 60 days ago, which we are seeing quite a bit of buyer activity with that first Fed rate cut, which of course did affect some downward pressure on interest rates. So, even that number is up 61. That basically that does reflect activity, as I mentioned, from a month or two ago. So I always like to keep my eye on those properties going under contract, because that's going to say, and that's going to tell where we're at late November and into December. And the median list price of those properties that closed escrow, 450, up 1% from the week prior. So as always, as we head through the balance of 2025, we're going to keep a close eye on what our market's doing. Hopefully, like I said, we'll continue to see okay activity with the downward pressure on interest rates. But you know what? Only time will tell, but we'll be here for you week after week, bringing you exactly what's going on our local real estate market. And of course, if any information about our market that you may may need, please do not hesitate to reach out to us and myself or any of our other trusted associates at Berkshire Hathaway Home Services, Troth Realtors, where we've proudly been serving the Antelope Valley real estate market since 1957. All right, everybody, take care. Make it a great week, and we'll talk with you next Monday. All righty. Bye-bye.